popped on, huh? Damn. Thank y'all for going into Burlington with me. Let's see what Burlington has. Look at this, y'all. This is so cute. It's $28. It's like a mauve pink. Can y'all believe it's not in the music right here? I can talk. It has this little pouch and this little chain. And I also have this one. This is like the one I'm wearing in peach. I think this is $18. It's just like the one I'm wearing. Look at this one. I like a belt bag. It's $30. It's 10. No vino el domingo, dice, porque le pedí una regañada, dice. Bien, el sábado sí, pues sí, yo me salía antes. Mi salida era a las 4, pero no estaba segura, bueno, me acuerdo. Just $25. A las 4, pero claro que me fui como a las 3:30. Me vine saliendo, dice, de 3 a las 4 a las 4. This one is too. Dice, oh, ya me voy, y entonces yo ya me dijo que era para... Look at this one. This orange wallet goes with one of those Steve Madden purses. It can. One of those we saw before. And this juicy. Look, this is the size I need right here. This is the exact size I need. It's kind of wallet. There's several card slots for nice girls who like stuff. Yes. We like stuff, y'all. You had no price on it? Oh, $10.99, $11. And this almost look like Tory Burch. And here's a Steve Madden one. This will go in that purse we just saw. $15. Let's see. Can we match it up? Definitely. A whole little setup right there, y'all. So for $28 and $15, you got your lineup. Nice little setup. Those up there for the next person to see. What's this? Another juicy one. Oh, now this is a cosmetic bag. We saw this in Marshall's, $15. This is a cute Reebok purse for $13. Madden girl, this is cute. $20. So cute.
$15. So cute. Oh no, thank you. I'm good. Thank you. Here's the backpack to go with that purse. Oh. That's nice. Oh, I didn't know they had it on the strap. Here's a little Adidas little purse, a Reebok one. This is what I need for Puma with the rose gold hardwood. I mean hardwood, hardware. Maybe I'm thinking about flooring. This one, $28. Kind of like a sage green. This is cute. While I'm doing the editing, I just noticed that they had like the chocolate little coin purse and the chocolate back. That's different. today. Okay, y'all, look at this top. It's like kind of like corset, and it's like the shiny patent leather. That's cute for $5. I should have got that, y'all. I don't even know if it was my size. But it's kind of like a corset, and it had the straps. That's even better because you can adjust it. But for $5, I could have got it and kept it for a gift if I didn't like how it fit me. And so I just decided to look at a few more of the tops. Okay, so in this portion of the video, I decided to mute the store because the music was getting loud. And there's Sweet Juicy. So if you hear something in the background, it's my fan because it's hot here in Texas. The air is on and I got my fan on. So we're looking at the home stuff. And I know in this video I hadn't been talking much because we had the store atmosphere. We had a little music playing. And then I was able to talk through some of this in the store, which makes it easy. So we're just looking at the knickknacks. And this is cute. This little how it's shaped, that's cute. It's like silver. Here's one kind of in a frosted gold. Thank y'all for clicking this video. I appreciate y'all walking through Burlington with me. And this is the Burlington that's closest to my house. What is this? Our bird. It's a cute little bird. And they just have a few little things here. Some things that we already saw before. They're still just sitting here. They're still in here from week to week. So we're gonna look at the greenery right here. So I think this tall plant is $40. And so like that little plant can just make a room feel more at home with just that one piece added to a room. And this right here is like a lantern. I guess it has like a flip. Oh no, it's a solar. Got this solar panel on the top. And that's cute. Y'all know I like that. It's black. And they have some candles. And a lot of clearance candles. So I just kind of looked at some, but my mind couldn't really, I don't even think about no candle. It's so hot today. I'm like, I couldn't even think about burning a candle. Even though we love the candles all year round for the smell and the aesthetic of it all. But I looked a little bit, and this one, I think the one I just touched is one that I knew I liked, but that one wasn't on clearance. Okay, so we're on to the next aisle with the tablets and stuff. And so usually I hadn't been showing the tablets, the notebooks and things like that. Although I still been looking at them from time to time, I hadn't been showing them in the video. So I just saw that one because it had the clipboard on the front. I thought that was cute. It was like a folder with a clipboard. And of course, we know when we see sweet, we're supposed to thumbs up the video. Or if you watch anybody else's video and they say sweet, or you see something sweet, thumbs them up. That's just how we do. Wherever we see sweet and juicy, we think about sweet juicy. Okay, y'all, wherever we are. And if it's just on my video or somebody's video, that means thumbs it up or leave a comment. Or if you're in the store and you see sweet or something, just tell somebody thank you or say something sweet, okay? And y'all let me know when y'all do that. Let me know in the comments. Okay, here's something like you can use put your makeup brushes in, or you can use it however you want to, because you can put that on your desk and put your ink pens in and things like that, your paper clips. And there's one in pink, and that's $6. That's cute. It's cute to go on your desk, whether it's your makeup desk or your desk, because we use things the way we want to use it. It's not it's not no specific way to use something. When you buy it, you use it how you want to use it. There's like a bar stool for $36, and I noticed, y'all, in my store, usually back here, it usually be, really a mess, and I don't like to show it. But I noticed that it was cleaned up back there, cleaned up, considering what it used to be. That's cleaned up that aisle right there. So I was like, okay, Burlington, I see y'all. Have they been watching our video and was like, oh, let us shine up our store? So I can appreciate that, because I don't know, ever since I've been coming to the store, I don't know if it's been this clean, but I can appreciate that. I recognize Burlington. Good job. Keep it up. Okay, so we see these juicy step stools. And why would I need a juicy step stool? I don't need one, but sometimes I think I do need one, like to reach the top of the closet or for whatever reason. And I didn't think about it. I could use that because I could use that for a setup, like when I'm propping my camera and stuff up. And because it has juicy on there, so I might think about getting it the next time if they have one, because I like the black and white one with the stars. I didn't have to have the stars, but I think I'd choose stars over hearts, and of course the black one, and they had a gray one. So I might be able to use that, because I can use that when I'm propping my camera up, for the height to film and stuff like that. So I wish I would have thought of it at that moment, because I definitely could have used that, because I've been using shoe boxes and everything to prop the camera, prop my phone up higher. So he's looking at the cups just to see what kind of cups they had. Here's the Hello Kitty cup for $5.19. Comes with a little straw in there, and that's cute. I know my little girls would love that. Not my girls, but my son's daughters, my luns. So we really didn't find anything, but we just, kept looking. Y'all know over here, this is where I do my try on and stuff. When I'm going to try on something, this is my little area. And when I saw this little mirror, I wanted to see the price of that. And I believe they said $25, but I'm thinking more like 13 or 15. But I believe it said $25. So in here, we usually never go to the main area, but it's right there where I do my little try on stuff at by the mirror. So I was like, let me just slide on down through here before I leave out. So we just look at a few shorts and a few pair of jeans. So there's some NBA like basketball shorts, $6. I didn't know that. And here's some more shorts. Those are $13. And these colorful ones with all those patterns and shapes, $13. With all those colors, you can buy some tennis shoes with those colors in. That'll be right on point. Just throw on a black t-shirt. And those right there, those are like the ones we be seeing, but the material was different. They're like those khaki ones. And we see some jeans for $17. Those are cute how the leg does down about the knee. And there are some Hurley brand shorts, $15 on clearance. So we just ran in Burlington. I was hoping to find some of the champion stuff, or just to see if it was something that I could put with something. But they didn't have anything like that I wanted in the activewear area. Nor the shoes. And a few of the bags were nice, but nothing that I had to have, of course. So we just, because we in here, we still just go ahead and get us a little them academics. I didn't know that. When I saw them with those $8, when I saw that little pattern on there, I just was like, that's some cute summer shorts, but I didn't know they were academics. Not that matters, because we will wear whatever, brand or no brand. Well, not me. Me, yeah, but this is men clothes, so I'm saying, yeah, I'll wear brand or no brand, but I don't know, whatever men. And see, I like these shorts, and they come in that kind of coral, and then like a peach. And it's so cute for the summer, those little shorts. But those academic shorts that had those pretty summer colors on it. kind of like tie-dye, but not. And there's some brown, dark brown, chocolate khaki shorts. And whatever this is, I thought I saw that. I was like, that's cute. Looks like it probably goes in the women's section. Ace, and it's Adidas for $25. And even if it wasn't for a woman, you know, we can wear men's stuff too. We can make it do what it do. Well, thank y'all for walking through Burlington with me. I'll see y'all in the next one.